Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 GMC Acadia SLE. This one is the Elevation Edition. Includes some black accents, these aluminum wheels, for a total price of $42,230. I don't know why the wind's picking up all of a sudden. It's actually kind of worrying. Hello, bugger. Nice back seat area. That bug's... Ow. Ow. Out. Get out. 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 Stay. Ugh. This is my car, not yours. Alright, let's see if they shut down the highway yet. Looks like someone important's coming to town. Might be the president, I don't know. Maybe the VP. Might be Biden. I don't know. Because they're in position to block off the highway, all the state troopers. So it's going to be interesting. I don't know if we'll be able to get any accelerations. But we'll see. Definitely try. SLE is kind of, sort of entry level. Might be a few trim levels below it, but the Elevation trim looks awesome. So this does feature the 9-speed automatic mated to the 3.6 V6, and it actually features something that I never knew existed until I just looked it up. It's called PAL, Performance Algorithm Lift Foot. It's GM's internal speak. So I'll activate it once we get onto this main road. But what you do is you just stamp the gas and let off. Just boom. And then you'll see a green cog pop up. In this trim, where it says D for drive turns red. Then it's activated. It drops itself to the lowest gear, and it's basically the full throttle mapping. It's extremely useful if you're going down a mountain. It will do full engine braking with no issue. So here I'm going to give it a quick step. You can see the cog and it will downshift and everything. I absolutely love the Acadia and the Blazer. They're all the same platform. They are just so good. I absolutely love them. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.